Hello everyone. Here this is Suchishmita. I'm from Skyy Rider Institution, and we have Vikas Ghanekar here with us. And he is a working professional, but with us he is doing a hybrid electric vehicle course. And so Vikas, how are you?
Fine, ma'am. Thank you.
All right. And can you brief about yourself?
Yeah, sure. Uh, Hi, friends. I am Vikas Ghanekar. I am living in Chhattisgarh, Raipur. I am B Mechanical from Government Engineering College, Jabalpur in 1990 batch. And I was working as AGM in BSNL for last 56 years. And I have taken BRS from that organization. Uh, and now I have joined the Skyy Rider Institution to grow my knowledge.
Understood. All right.
Yeah.
So, because you are a working professional working with BSNL for 15 years, you said. So, why do you feel the need of joining the course?
Yeah, I need it strongly, ma'am, because there is a need of technology to acquaint yourself with the new technologies like electrical vehicle is again taking a sharp direction in which people are moving to join electrical vehicles very much. So I have strongly feel that the electrical vehicle technology course is very much recommended to me from my family also. So I feel that.
All right. So, how did you come to know about Skyy Rider Institutions?
I came to know from an advertisement on Google. Uh, on Google, that advertisement I have seen, and I have very much impressed with that advertisement. So
Understood.
yeah,
So, how was your so far? How was your experience with like offline as well as online training?
yeah, very fine, very fine. Because very exciting experience to join classes after 33 years, uh, and the teachers and the course module is very much knowledgeable, and all the I have two instructors are there. I have joined, and both are very much interesting and knowledgeable person.
Understood. I can totally understand you joining this course after so long. And yes, there's still there's no age for learning. So,
Yeah, yeah.
do you face whether there are any difficulties faced during online sessions?
No, no. It's just like sharing experience on uh, video. I have doesn't feel any difficulty in joining EV sessions because uh, very much technology is very much competitive nowadays. So yeah.
Understood. So, how are the trainers and was their approach to solve your doubts and queries helpful to you?
Yeah, yeah, very much helpful in nature. They have asked the number of times for any doubts, any doubts and problems. If you are facing any problem, so every people asked, and I think there are more than 25, 30 students are there in each class, and every student is very much satisfied, and I am also satisfied with the instructor.
Alright. So you recently joined our courses. So what were the ways that the trainer used to assess your training progress or your assigned projects?
Yeah, their approach is very much means very uh, very much fine. Uh, so they are started from the basic learning. So and uh, slowly, slowly they are gradually increase their speed, and also the subject, the depth of subject. So after elapsing of 1 month, so now they have increased. Our basic engineering design classes are over now, and but EV session is last session today. So these two sessions, and the instructors are very much cooperative and helpful in nature. So the,
All right. So yes, because there are freshers joining us, there are working professionals joining us. So we have to start at the base level, that is basics. That's why we aim at training someone from basic. So are you satisfied with the training program so far?
yeah, I very much satisfied. I am deeply satisfied.
Understood. So being a working professional, how did you manage the timing of your training?
No, nowadays I have taken VRS from BSNL, so I am free for all the day, and especially in the evening I am totally free. So this time is utilized in learning the basic EV courses, and it is very much helpful to me.
So it's a good way of utilizing your evenings by learning something.
Yeah, sure.
So how would you recommend, what would you recommend to other working professionals or students who are planning to join these courses or join Skyy Rider?
Yeah, just I suggest all the students that they should join the Skyy Rider Institution classes for their in their extra time, or so that the knowledge, so they can get the knowledge from this institution classes, and with compatible with the technology, new technology.
Understood. So any message you want to convey to all the audience, as well as all the students or working professionals who are looking to upskill themselves?
Yeah, as I have taken so much, I have working professional for so much years. I strongly feel that the age is no bar for learning, for knowledge. So I have joined this institution for the getting knowledge, not for a job. Okay, so that if young people should also get a good job with the help of this course. So I strongly feel that knowledge is the main course of the life.
Understood. So as Vikas said, there's no age bar to join the institution. Also, there's no, there's no stopping to other learnings, and there's no stopping to upskilling ourselves. So thank you so much, Vikas, for joining us today and sharing your valuable feedback. And we wish you that you aim for something, or you get something which you really wish for.
Yeah, thank you, Pam.
Thank you so much, Vikas.